Automated affiliate marketing system. If you've been searching for an automated affiliate marketing system because you want to make affiliate sales without constantly posting content, without manually messaging people every day, and without spending all your time online, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how an automated affiliate marketing system works, how AI tools are making automation easier than ever, and how beginners can start building a system that generates traffic, leads, and affiliate commissions around the clock. Now, before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post videos every week about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, and ways to make money online. Also, check the pinned comment below. I've included 2 resources that can help you get started. The first is my discounted Syllaby link. This is one of the AI tools I use to generate content ideas, create scripts, and build faceless content faster. The second is my top recommended affiliate offer called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Both links are in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about what an automated affiliate marketing system actually is. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking automation means doing nothing. That's not what automation means. An automated affiliate marketing system is a process that continues generating traffic and sales after you've already done the work. Think about YouTube. You upload a video today. That video could generate views next week, next month, next year. That's automation. Think about email marketing. You write an email sequence once. New subscribers continue receiving those emails automatically. That's automation. Think about content ranking and search results. People discover your content while you're sleeping. That's automation. The goal isn't to avoid work. The goal is to create assets that continue working after they're published. And that's exactly what I focus on. One of my favorite automated affiliate marketing systems starts with content. Content is the engine that drives everything. Without content, there's no traffic. Without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no affiliate commissions. The challenge is creating enough content consistently. That's where AI becomes incredibly powerful. One of the tools I use is Syllaby. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with content ideas, Syllaby helps generate ideas around topics people are already searching for. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to create next, I can quickly build a content plan. That's one of the reasons I continue using it. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my discounted Syllaby link in the pinned comment below. Now let's walk through the automated affiliate marketing system step by step. Step 1 is choosing a niche. This is critical. You don't want to promote everything. You want to focus on a specific market. Examples include affiliate marketing, AI tools, personal finance, software, health, productivity, technology. The more focused your niche, the easier it becomes to create relevant content. Step 2 is keyword research. This is where we identify what people are already searching for. For example, affiliate marketing for beginners, AI affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube channels, how to make money online, passive income ideas. Those searches represent opportunities because every search is a problem someone once solved. Step 3 is content creation. This is where the system begins to scale. Using tools like Syllaby, you can generate ideas, create scripts, and produce content much faster than traditional methods. Many creators are now building faceless YouTube channels using AI-assisted workflows. They don't need expensive cameras. They don't need a studio. They don't even need to show their face. Instead, they use stock footage, AI visuals, voiceovers, screen recordings, and simple editing. This dramatically reduces the amount of time required to publish content. Step 4 is publishing consistently. This is where most people fail. They create a few videos, then they stop. Automation only works if there are assets to automate. Every video becomes another asset. Every piece of content becomes another opportunity to generate traffic. The more quality content you create, the larger your automated affiliate marketing system becomes. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is the fuel that powers the entire system. My favorite traffic source is YouTube. Why? Because YouTube combines search traffic and recommendation traffic. People actively search for answers, and YouTube also recommends content to viewers. This creates a powerful combination. A video can generate traffic for months or even years. That's much different than a social media post that disappears after a few hours. This is one of the reasons I focus on creating evergreen content. I want assets, not temporary attention. Now let's talk about monetization, because that's what everyone wants to know. How does an automated affiliate marketing system actually generate income? The process is simple. Create content, get traffic, recommend products, earn commissions. For example, if someone wants help creating content faster, I might recommend Syllaby. If they purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a commission. If someone wants a beginner-friendly opportunity that pays up to $200 per sale, I might recommend Daily Income Method. Again, you'll find both resources in the pinned comment below. The key is matching solutions to problems. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. And affiliate marketing becomes much easier when you focus on helping people solve problems. Now, another advantage of an automated affiliate marketing system is leverage. Instead of trading time for money, you're building assets. One video can help thousands of people. One piece of content can generate traffic for years. One recommendation can generate commissions repeatedly. That's leverage. And leverage is one of the most powerful concepts in business. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number one is expecting instant results. Automation compounds over time. Mistake number two is constantly switching niches. Stay focused. Mistake number three is creating random content. Every piece of content should serve a purpose. Mistake number four is not publishing consistently. Consistency is what turns content into assets. Mistake number five is ignoring AI tools. The creators who learn to use AI effectively are often able to create more content in less time. Quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the algorithm and helps more people discover these videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what type of automated affiliate marketing system you're trying to build. Now let's recap. Choose a niche. Research keywords. Use AI tools like Syllaby. Create faceless content. Publish consistently. Generate traffic. Recommend quality affiliate products. Earn commissions. That's the foundation of an automated affiliate marketing system. And it's one of the reasons I'm so excited about where affiliate marketing is heading. Technology is making automation easier. AI is making content creation faster. And opportunities are becoming more accessible than ever before. If you'd like to use the same tools I'm using, check the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link where you can get started today. You'll also find Daily Income Method, which pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.